my beautiful people, it's your girl Sal, aka Queen Sally. So guys, in today's video I've ordered food from Delisam. It's seafood plus burritos. It's gonna be my first time eating burritos and I've always wanted to eat her food. Today is the day. Today is the day, and I'll take you guys along. So guys, the food has arrived. I'm excited. Thank you so much. So guys, we're gonna open this right now. We're gonna open this. Help me with this one. Ooh. Oh, there's a soda for me. It feels like, what's that called? Mukbang. Mukbang. Sorry. This is burrito. I think we need a plate. I need a plate for burrito. This thing is big. It's huge. I didn't know about this. It's not open. Guys, please help me. So guys, I'm gonna taste the food. The food is feuding. They brought for me chopsticks and I'm not even good at this. So guys, don't. Look at the burrito. Wow. But I need a knife. I'm gonna taste this and see how it goes. So guys, I'm gonna show you what I have. I have noodles na crab, and we have here burritos. Yeah, that's what we have, and we're gonna taste it. This sauce here ni kwa ajili ya burrito, I think so. Somebody help me the time. And this, nice. Yeah. So we're gonna try it. Give me a little bit of the sauce. Can you pour for me? Whoa. This thing is good. So guys, I'm gonna try seafood noodles and eat crab, yeah man. How do you even eat a crab, bro? I don't know how to eat a crab. Help. Sijui kutumia, kwa hiyo mimi nitatumia ninavyojua mimi nini? Chopstick. Wacha ningechukua shrimp. crab is very hard to eat. I don't come, but it's very yummy. You guys take this and taste. Guys, this is guys, this is crab. Okay, crab it's good, but I don't think it's for me. I think it could have been better if I took shrimp, prawns, but it's not bad. It's good. So guys, the food is 6 out of 10 or 5 out of 10. Everything was good. Burrito was good. Lakini it was like 6 out of 10. It was 6 out of 10. Naweza kusema hivyo. But next time we'll try eating prawns and shrimp. Kwa sababu crab ilikuwa ngumu kula crab jamani. Hey guys, I'm literally on my rooftop right now to see the fireworks. It's gonna be there in few minutes. I'm excited. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Salha, aka Queen Sally. So guys, sijaongea na ninyi for a long time and it's January 14 today. Saa 10:01 sasa hivi. And tupo, it's like, it looks like pandemic. And tupo kama kuna COVID hivi, but it's not COVID, ni election hapa Uganda and hatuna internet. Na wamekata internet toka jana tarehe 13 saa 12 and we're just here. Tupo tunaangaliana, tukichoka kuangaliana, lakini mtu anaenda chumbani kwake, tukichoka kukaa chumbani hivyo tu, yani tupo hivyo. So guys, I'm gonna show you how it looks outside the world. So guys, napanda terrace kuwaonyesha juu, kuwaonyesha nikiwa juu, kwa sababu sasa kutoka nje kabisa. Guys, napumua hivi, nimepanda ngazi, so yeah. So guys, ninaonyesha outside how it is right now. Yani magari kama mnavyoona moja sio crowded, haipo crowded, and nasi tupo tu nyumbani tunaangalia TV, tukichoka kuangalia TV, tunatafuta anything to do. Na hivyo hatuna mtandao and na sijui unarudi lini, maybe probably after election. Mungu asaidie usiwe na conflict yoyote hivyo. So guys, this is day 2 without internet. Hamna mtandao kama kawaida. Sijui lini unarudishwa, lakini ndo kama hivyo tunazeeka. Ila kitu ambacho kimetufanya tukae, kitu ambacho kimetufanya bila mtandao, yani kukaa bila mtandao, tumekuwa karibu. Kila mtu yupo pamoja, so kila mtu yupo chumbani kwake, hivyo tunacheza games, tuna change mawazo hivyo, yani hivyo. Lakini ndio hivyo. Ndio day 2 yetu ipo hivyo, kulala, kuamka, kupika, kuoga, hivyo. Yani hivyo. Na vingine. Hi guys, I hope you guys are doing well. Kwa hiyo kama nilivyosema, tulikuwa tuna mtandao kwa siku chache, lakini mtandao umerudi jana saa 6:30, yeah, around 12:30 p.m. So I'll be posting more videos. Stay tuned. See you guys in the next video. Bye.